Selecting electrical design software for new construction, whether residential or commercial, involves considering several key factors. Let's explore some of the top software options available. AutoCAD Electrical from Autodesk stands out as an industry-leading choice. It provides comprehensive features for electrical design, including schematics, panel layouts, and load calculations. Its integration with AutoCAD allows for seamless 2D and 3D design workflows. EPLAN Electric P8, offered by EPLAN Software and Service, is another powerful contender. Its modular design facilitates customization to meet specific project needs. It integrates well with other EPLAN modules, fostering a comprehensive electrical engineering environment. Revit MEP, also from Autodesk, takes a building information modeling, or BIM approach. It emphasizes the coordination of electrical design with other building systems. Its tools support electrical systems routing, device placement, and load analysis. For lighting design, Dialux Evo from Dialux is a dedicated option. It offers advanced simulation capabilities for accurate lighting calculations. It comes equipped with extensive libraries of lighting fixtures and materials. Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure Electrical Design Suite provides a suite of tools including AutoCAD compatibility, electrical design wizards, and energy analysis features. It integrates seamlessly with Schneider Electric products. Specs by Sage Software caters specifically to residential and commercial electrical design. Its user-friendly interface includes predefined templates. It automates load calculations and code compliance checking. WISE-V from the Illuminating Engineering Society, or WISE, is an industry standard for lighting calculations and design. It boasts a comprehensive library of lighting fixtures and materials. When choosing the best software, consider these factors. Firstly, assess the complexity of the projects that you will be undertaking. Secondly, choose software with features that meet the specific requirements of those projects. Thirdly, consider integration with other tools that you may be using, such as computer-aided design, or CAD, and BIM software, as well as other electrical engineering tools. Fourthly, prioritize user-friendliness. Fifthly, look for software with an intuitive interface and easy-to-use tools. Sixthly, make sure that the software provider offers reliable technical support. Seventhly, determine the licensing costs and ongoing maintenance fees associated with the software. Based on these criteria, AutoCAD Electrical and EPLAN Electric P8 are highly recommended for residential and commercial electrical design projects. Consider the range of features and focus on your own projects for a more informed decision.